sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about around when it's past due. Reach a glass, dude, no. You don't gotta fight alone.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. You've just seen me unbox the new Yeezy Boost 350 YEEZREELs, and these are my first Yeezys. I have been trying to cop myself a pair for a long time now. Every time I enter raffles to win, I never ever get lucky. So this time I took the W, I got them, and I must say, when I saw them online first, I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I like that colorway. It's very like one of the previous ones, the glow one that was out recently, and I wasn't too keen on it, but I said I'd enter anyway because I really want to try these out. And I must say, when I first opened them, I loved them. I think the colorway, it's not done justice online, but you have to see them in real life to actually appreciate that. They look class. I'm very into fluorescent kind of colors anyway. I have a lot of shoes this kind of color, the fluorescent green, and I am really liking them. So as I said, these are my first pair of Yeezys ever. I've never even tried on a pair, so when I tried them on, wow, I was like, is this actually how they feel? They feel so good. I've tried Adidas Boost before. I've had the NMDs, I've had them in football boots, the Pure Controls, and they have Boost in the insole, but these are on another level. Like, you can even feel the squishiness here and on the bottom. It's incredible. Like, when I push that in, there's a bounce to it. So yeah, when I put them on, they're absolutely perfect fit. These are a 5.5 UK, which is a 6 US, I think. Let me double check that. Yeah, it's a 6 US. One thing I will say, like, for me wanting Yeezys for so long, I thought, will I pay the extortion prices that resellers charge for these runners? Is it worth it? And I was like, no, I'm never ever gonna pay 500 quid for a pair of these, no. So that's why I kept entering and I kept failing. But as they say, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. And I did that, I don't know how many times, but finally got lucky. And it was funny because these were released like a couple of days after my birthday. So maybe it was a sign, I don't know. But yeah, I'm very, very happy with these. I know a lot of people don't like Yeezys. I know a lot of people definitely don't like these this colorway. But yeah, I've seen a lot of hate online about this colorway, and also the new one that they're releasing. I think it was released today. And they're black. They've got the same effect, but just loads of different colors going through it. I wasn't mad on those. That's why I didn't bother trying to get those. I like these. But yeah. So inside, I'm not like, I don't know much about Yeezys, to be honest. All I know is I really wanted a pair, but I'm very impressed with how they look overall. Definitely excited to wear these, and they arrived before Christmas, which is good. So I have some new fresh crepes on my feet for Christmas time. It doesn't make me now, I don't want to wear a dress on Christmas. I want to wear these and cozy clothes because they're so cozy, like absolutely amazing. It's like a cloud. It's like standing on a cloud and just walking, bouncing through life. I'm gonna go spray these with Crep Protect because I do not want them getting dirty. Especially here, it's like raining non-stop, muck everywhere. These were €220 from the Adidas website. That's where I won the raffle and I got to buy them. So free delivery, 220 quid. But yeah, they are amazing. Definitely, I wasn't sure they'd be worth €220, but for the feel of them on my foot, they fit perfectly. Very, very true to size. I think because I was terrified that, you know, what if I get them and they don't fit me, because I never tried a pair on. What if I get them and they don't fit me and then I have to send them back or sell them? I'd be heartbroken because it's been so hard to get a pair of these. And yeah, so let me know what you think of them. Are you into the Yeezys at all? And there are a few different types of Yeezy. I like the 350s, to be honest. They're definitely the only ones that I would actually spend my money on. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hopefully I can do more Yeezy videos soon. And now that I've got the win, hopefully I can get more, because I'm really liking these.